Okay, I'm going to show you how to solder steel. First thing you got to do is grind off the galvanization coating. Gotta get it nice and shiny. Gotta get it nice and shiny. I already did the other piece beforehand, just to make this process go a whole lot faster. Dang it. I use a propane torch just because it's a very easy torch to use, and it doesn't take a lot of heat. And I use 6040 acid core solder. So all you really got to do is set the two pieces up in the spot you want them, touch the torch to them, let them heat up a little bit. Got to get it nice and hot so the solder will melt. And there it goes, starting to melt. This can take a few minutes, but only because I live in Michigan and it's March, obviously. Get that little flow. Shut off the torch. Using a pair of vice grips to press it down while it cools. This can take a couple seconds. Let that fully cool so it gets a good bond. It's starting to cool fully. Still a little hot. This can take a little bit. It really drives me nuts because it's cold out here. But once that gets nice and cool, looks like I had to reheat it, so it didn't take. Yep, this just bros. I'm not editing this video because I don't own any editing software. So I respark my torch, reheat it. Really nice and hot, pump that up a little bit. Maybe if I get a bit more heat, keep it on the heat a little longer, it'll heat up better. You have to use acid core. You don't need flux. You can use it, but I don't use it. Mostly because I'm just too lazy to go by finding out good stuff that works. Yeah, hold that again. This ought to work a bit better. Sorry if you didn't see it. I don't know if you saw it yet. It's getting cool. And not. Yeah, it's about focus point. You can't quite see it because the glass gets in the way, but there's a little where the puddle's rippling. When you're doing this, you'll see the puddle rippling when you move it like this. Once that stops doing that, just let it sit for a second. That's still soft. The center joint is still soft. If it's still soft right here, then it's still soft in the joint, so don't move it. So if the camera veers off, I haven't made a lot of videos. That's about done. And I gotta tighten up my vice grips. And I dip it in water just to get it good cool quicker, so I can handle it. So I'll burn my hands to death. I'm trying to pull it apart as hard as I can. It ain't budging. Given this is a small piece, but it translates. Something I did this with already. This thing. Not a single joint flex. Just goes to show. the steel bends before that does, and I was putting most of my weight on there, and I weigh over 200 pounds. So you're not going to be able to break these joints anytime soon. Well, that's how you solder steel.